You can't build in Texas without making sure there's a solid foundation underneath. And that's not a metaphor. It's a fact the folks at D&S Engineering understand better than anyone.
D&S Engineering Labs is a professional engineering firm. We provide geotechnical engineering and drilling, construction materials engineering and testing, as well as do resource exploration and some forensics engineering. So we employ professional engineers, geologists, certified field and lab technicians, as well as project managers and our experienced drillers. We go out on site, we drill the soil, we test it, and we let the owners and design team know how to build on that particular site. Our CMET side, which is the construction materials testing, we are actually the eyes and ears of the owner during construction.
The soil in the eastern half of Texas and Oklahoma is heavily clay-based. Many of these clays are highly expansive in nature, which means they can shift, swell, or sag depending on weather conditions.
That typically controls how our foundations can rest directly on the soil. There's two types of foundations. We do shallow foundations and deep foundations. So shallow foundations, like a spread footing, rest directly on the soil. A deep foundation, like a drilled shaft or a pile, would be drilled down below the soil to appropriate bedrock to support. That's typically either for heavier loads or a site that has a really high potential for heave or shrinkage in the soil.
D&S Engineering has a team of in-house engineers and geologists who truly understand the soil and bedrock of our region.
Our primary goal is the health, safety, and welfare of the general public, but that also includes the public coffers or the public trust as well. By implementing good, sound engineering and collecting the data that we need, we can develop those parameters and not just do what people have done for years and years prior, but really look for ways that we can develop quality and value to our projects and our clients while still maintaining that public health, safety, and welfare.
If we're drilling piers for a bridge or building a high-rise building or even a residential house or a bridge, for example, we need to understand how that material behaves, what it's going to do over the lifetime of a project or of a structure, and that helps us with design and costing and make sure our clients understand that from a designer's perspective. So those are just critical elements that are really non-negotiable. We need to know what's going on.
I think the number one thing that keeps our clients coming back to us is our responsiveness. We answer our phone, we answer emails. If you call us, we're happy to come out to the site. We stand behind our reports. We have a lot of engineers on staff, obviously, that if there's a problem on site, we send engineers out. I actually go out every now and then. I don't get to do much engineering anymore, but we always have principal involvement in all our projects.
It's just a gratifying feeling to help clients be successful on their projects, and especially when we're talking about public projects, really doing the taxpayers justice and serving them well. So for me, it's very rewarding.
Our work matters because we're protecting the public. Everything we do touches the general public, whether it's somebody's house, whether it's a school, whether it's a building. The welfare, safety, and health of the general public is the most important.
For more information about how D&S Engineering is helping build a solid foundation for our region, visit their website, dsenglabs.com, and visit our website, InsideTheBlueprint.com.